Hi guys, this is Pilika and this reading is for the sign of Leo for the term of April 2022. Without any further ado, let's get into the reading. सबसे पहले general देख लेते हैं for the sign of Leo. So let's just do it. Okay, general reading for the sign of Leo in April 2022. Alright. Alright, okay. It's okay. So you guys are moving on from something, some sort of emotional disappointment. Could be also regarding your passion that you used to follow. आप किसी चीज़ को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा पैशनेट थे बट उससे रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिले. So you are walking away from that. And you are still not solid on the decision कि you should move on or maybe आपको wait करना चाहिए for a response. But I see eventually you are able to carry your all good and Gucci and happy energy again. You're going to be all positive. What I see here is that the reading is very positive because you are not afraid of losing, and you know that one failure does not count as you failed in life. So you're trying to move on with that and you'll be doing good when you'll be moving on. I see there's going to be some small challenges here. Maybe people could be gossiping about you because of what happened in the past, but you'll get through it and you'll be having a good balancing energy. In case you are having some sort of mental stress, I guess you should meditate or something. That will be good for you. Yeah, and now let's see what's with the love angle for Leos in the month of April 2022. Alright. Alright, so what I see here is that you're trying to move on from this loss that you had. You're walking away from this and you're good at moving on. Like you're looking forward कि अब next क्या आएगा. And you're mostly focusing on your finances. ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपके पास्ट रिलेशनशिप में यू डेल्ट विद अ पर्सन हु वाज नॉट इनटू यू बट इन योर बट दे वर कम्प्लीटली इनटू योर फाइनेंसेस, कि आप उनकी फाइनेंशियली हेल्प कर देते थे तो वो आपसे बात करते थे. और अगर मतलब मैं ऐसे नेगेटिवली ना भी देखूँ उस चीज़ को, तो एटलीस्ट दे कंसिडर्ड यू एज अ फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट, बट बिकॉज दे डिड नॉट हैव एनीथिंग एल्स टू ऑफर टू यू. जो आपको चाहिए था वो आपको एक्चुअली वो ऑफर नहीं कर पा रहे थे. नो ग्रजेस, but it was simply just energy. They wanted something else from you and you wanted to offer something more to them. और आपकी एनर्जीज जो थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा क्लैश कर रही थी और इस वजह से the relationship got terminated. But whatever it is, you'll be doing good, I see. But the thing is that you have to get past from this moment where you felt like there's nothing ahead. But now you at least see that there's so much more in life to do rather than just crying over what happened to you. So try to move on with this and you'll be mainly focusing, I guess, on your finances now, or at least you'll be focusing upon the security that a relationship has to offer you. Maybe you were thinking to get married or you're trying to make some sort of family. You're just trying to move on in whatever way there is possible. That is what I see in the love angle. For the singles, I see there's a new opportunity coming, and this new opportunity, this is going to be a very secure relationship, and they're going to have to, like, they'll be offering you a lot of things and you'll be liking it. You might be thinking कि ये relationship लंबा नहीं चलेगा, and that is going to be true, but somebody is coming into your life for a very short term to make you happy, or this could just be a hookup thing. Yeah, so let's see further studies, finances and career for Leo in the month of April 2022. Alright, I see finances are really good here. You guys are working good. आप अपने काम में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रो हो और उसके रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छे आएंगे। या ये हो सकता है कि आपने किसी चीज़ में पहले इन्वेस्ट किया हो और उसके आपके पास रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हों। यू आर इन द अथॉरिटी सीट, आप जो भी करते हो, जो भी आप कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में, आप वो बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हो। इफ़ वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम बिजनेस, यू आर गोइंग टू हैव गुड फाइनेंशियल गेन्स एंड यू आर गोइंग टू नर्चर योर सेल्फ बहुत ज़्यादा। यू आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी क्रिएटिव इन द बिजनेस। If you are in job, you're going to get promoted. I see you're going to get promoted. You're going to get a salary hike or something. And if you guys are studying, you're going to get good marks. At least पहले जो आपने पढ़ा है उसका आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा मिलेगा. Because you see, there's the energy of Hierophant and the Empress, which means that authorities might think that you are very creative and a very practical, very analytical person, and you like yourself a lot, and that confidence is going to show off to everyone, and they're going to realize that you are really good at whatever you do. I guess that is that with the reading, because I don't see anything else that I have to focus on. So I guess that is it for the reading of Leo. You guys can follow me on Instagram. I will be mentioning my Instagram handle in the bio, in the description down. And if you want consultations, you can mail me for the consultations on my email address. That's it for the sign of Leo. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.